Good day, sir. My name is Krisha Mea Ombal, and today I will show you how I track my bills using simple method for my everyday life. And I will use a paper and a pen to show you how I track my bills. So ayun guys, this is my bills, and ito yung electricity natin. Every month ko siyang binabayaran. Then, tumatatak siya ng 2,000. Ganon din yung water every month. Then, nagre-raise siya ng 1,000. Yung wifi naman, every month. Then, 1,500 yung kinalalabasan. So, ang binabayaran ko every month is 4,000. Kung mapapansin nyo guys, hindi siya pantay-pantay ng price. Kasi, ang tao lang dito sa bahay is 4. So, meaning, hindi siya ganun kalaki na makakain namin bills. Then, ganun din sa water. Then, yung wifi, 1,500 talaga siya. Thank you.